Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to block screenshots on WhatsApp profile picture. For example, if you don't want to allow anyone to take the screenshot of your profile picture on WhatsApp, so how you can stop them. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the WhatsApp here. And after opening the WhatsApp, you can simply do the two things. The first one is you can simply change the privacy of your profile picture, which means no one will be able to see your profile picture. So you can simply click on profile photo and you can change the privacy of that your photo to everyone, to my contact accept, and you can select nobody. And if you do not want to allow anyone to see your profile picture, so in this way you can simply change your profile photo privacy. But if you want to change another thing, there is also option that you can simply open the anyone profile, and you can have to simply click on that. And after clicking on, you have to simply open that person's profile, and you can simply open profile picture, and after that you have to simply take the screenshot of their profile. For example, if I take the screenshot of a person's profile, and if I open that, then there is option available. But if you I open the profile picture again and want to take the screenshot, then there is option available that to protect everyone's privacy on WhatsApp, screenshots are not allowed, or screen record are not allowed. So in this way you cannot screen record anyone's profile picture or take the screenshot of anyone's profile picture on WhatsApp. So if you want to block, there is also option available that you can simply block the profile picture screenshot on WhatsApp. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.